What's going on, guys? This is Lewis from Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning, and I wanted to drop another video today because right now what I'm going through is that we had an issue with one of our accounts. This actually is a daycare that we handle, and the person in charge wasn't happy with the performance of our cleaners. So, of course, when we get these emails, these calls or whatever, initially we kind of take pride and we get upset and we kind of want to lash out and like say, well, I know my cleaner did this, I know my cleaner did that, and you're wrong. That's not the way to go. What you do is you take a deep breath and you think, okay, all right, this client is voicing a concern with something that's not satisfactory to what we had told them that we were going to do. So now your goal is to rectify that situation, figure out what the issue is, and then go ahead and try to correct it. So I am at this daycare right now, and my goal is to figure out what my team has been missing or not doing, or whatever the case may be. But when you deal with situations like that, you need to take ownership of your responsibility in being the cause of that issue. And what I mean by that is that it probably would not have happened if we had performed a better training process for our cleaners. So with that being said, I am retraining them on how exactly I want it to be done, as opposed to hiring people and saying, okay, do you know how to clean this? Do you know how to clean that? Show them what your steps and your processes are for how each item needs to be cleaned. And the best way to do that is either show them one-on-one each item. This is how I want you to clean the toilet. This is how I want you to clean the sinks. This is how I want you to clean the floors, and so forth. Or you can do a training video which depicts all of that, because you've done videos to document your journey and you show each and every aspect of each and every, I won't say necessarily each and every account, but each and every situation, whether it be bathrooms, offices, event centers, or whatever. And then you can kind of speed up the process and scale up a little bit faster by doing it that way. So right now, my team is doing some of the things that I told them to do, showed them how I want it done. And now I want to go back and check and see how good of a job that they did and how good a job I did in telling them what I wanted done and how I wanted it done. So make sure you're training your people well, make sure you're inspecting behind them, and make sure you're being very professional when it comes to clients having feedback that may be negative in reference to what your team is doing. Fix that and make them feel comfortable and happy that they chose you, because you're not going to be perfect. You're not going to get it right every single time. But what you have to let your clients know is that no matter what the issue is, no matter what problems that may arise, that you are going to fix it, whether it be your team or you individually. Personally, I do it myself because I want them to know that each client is my number one client. So with that being said, you guys keep grinding, keep pressing forward, and I'll catch you next time.